clarity. 100 liter of pure milk is replaced by 20 liters of water and it has done 3 times consecutively. Find the concentration of mixture. One way, direct you can apply the formula, there is no problem. Like here, 100 minus 20 by 100, 3 times. In question only telling, we are not doing anything. Into 100%, it will become 0.8 to the power 3, this is 51.2%. Volume of liquid after 3 operation, it will be 51.2 liter will be milk in that mixture and remaining 48.8 liter will be water. Now same thing we'll try to understand based on concept of ratio, that is your milk and water. First operation, after first operation what will happen? It was pure milk, 100 liter milk was there, this is your milk, this is your water. 100 liter milk you have removed 20 liter, then milk will become 80 and water will become 20. We are replacing with the water. We are replacing with the water. Existing was 100 liter milk, 0 liter water. Water is not there. Now 20 liter we have taken out, 20 liter we have mixed the water. Then after first operation, 80 liter milk, 20 liter water. What is the ratio? 4:1. Now only issue will be there. Because first operation, if you have removed 20 liter, then all 20 liters only pure milk has removed and you have put 20 liter water. But next time once you will remove 20 liter, it will not remove 20 liter milk. It will remove the 20 liter mixture. That mixture is given in the ratio of 4:1. Means if 20 liter you will remove, then 16 liter only milk will remove and 4 liter water will be removed. Then only ratio will come 4:1 and combined it will come 20 liter. Means 80 minus 16 means out of 80 liter, once you remove 20 liter from this mixture, 16 liter milk will be removed, then your milk will remain 64 and remaining will become 36 water. Correct? 36 will become water because this 16 you removed plus earlier it was 20, 20 plus 16 will become 36. Next operation, again same thing will happen. Now 64 and 36 ratio has become 16:9. Now you will remove 20 liter, then it will not remove 20 liter of milk. It will remove 20 liter of mixture. Then that 20 liter, how many liter will be milk and how many liter will be water? That will be ratio in the ratio of 16:9. Then 64, or you can say if you are little expert in this calculation, 20 and 25. What is 20? 20 liter we are removing. What is 25 here? This 16 plus 9, 25. What is your factor multiplication? 1.25. Then in same fashion, 1.25 you just, what you have to do? You just divide 16 by 1.25. You will get how much? 64 minus 51.2. You will get 12.8. Okay? 12.8. Then 12.8, if you just reduce 64 minus 12.8, you will get 51.2. Remaining will be water.